Welcome to Ketchikan, Alaska, only accessible by boat or plane. We maximized our time here as a family, seeing the world-famous Alaskan Lumberjack Show, caught and cooked fish with Baranof Fishing, toured Creek Street, and had the famous duck fart.
Cheers to Ketchikan!
Ketchikan is one of the rainiest cities in North America, receiving about 140 to 160 inches of rain annually. That's over 13 feet of rain each year. Due to its southern location, Ketchikan is the first city visitors reach when traveling north into Alaska by cruise ship or ferry, earning it the nickname Alaska's First City. The first stop on our list is the Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show.
We are at the Lumberjack Show, the Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show.
The show features real lumberjacks who demonstrate traditional logging skills such as axe throwing, log rolling, pole climbing, and chainsaw carving. These competitions are inspired by the rugged timber industry that played a vital role in Alaska's history. The show is designed as an exciting competition between two teams, the Alaskan team and the Canadian team. Visitors get to cheer for their favorite team while watching high-energy events that showcase the incredible strength, agility, and precision of the Lumberjacks. The show takes place in a covered, heated arena, so rain or shine, the fun never stops. There was so much to do in Ketchikan, our family actually had to split up. My wife and two of our kids enjoyed the Lumberjack Show, while I took our other two kids fishing with Baranof Fishing. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. Once your cruise ship docks in Ketchikan, you'll meet Baranof Fishing staff right at the port. Our pickup time was about 6:30 a.m. After about a 10-minute shuttle ride to the dock, you'll check in, meet your fishing guide, and get any necessary gear before heading out. You'll board a private or small group fishing boat, depending on your booking. Ours was a 23-foot open-air skiff accommodating max of 6 people. The travel time is usually about 30 to 45 minutes from dock to your fishing spot. We are here with Baranof Fishing, trying to catch some rockfish. This is our first spot on our trip, where we fished at depths between 100 and 300 feet. All right, first spot didn't pan out, so we're moving on to the next one. A bunch of fish down there, but they just ain't biting. What we got? A who?
Dusky rock.
A dusky rockfish.
Alright.
Nice. Reel it in. There you go. There you go. Colin got himself a fish. It's about to breach.
My way.
Bring him over that way. Bring him over. Nope, nope. All right, so 1 to 1 to 0. Me is 0. Quarter 0. Change of plans. Rockfish are not happening right now, so we're gonna move over to salmon fishing. And this involves a different process. I don't know if my kids are having a blast or not. Let's check. We're here at the camp to cook our fish. Our measly 3 fish. That's all we caught. 3. After fishing around 3 or 4 hours, you will be taken to a scenic remote campsite where your guide will prepare your fish that you just caught and then be cooked by their local chef. The meal also comes with their delicious blueberry bread pudding. So it's a very, very disappointing fishing expedition as of right now, because we only caught 3 rockfish. But it was a fun experience. It's really cold. It was about 50 degrees, raining majority of the time, but overall, it's really good. Humongous tree fell over. I don't know if it was recently or not, but look at that. Can you tell us just what happened with the hot cocoa?
The hot cocoa's building the fires.
And he literally put out the fire.
And I started the fire. I started the fire.
Wait, what are they taking pictures?
10 out of 10. Oh, we got
Porter, what do you think?
the fish. 10 out of 10.
Blueberry crumble. Very tasty. We had our delicious rockfish, delicious dessert. Now we're headed back on the boat to head back to the port of Ketchikan. Oh no.
He wanted the big one, that's what he's waiting for. Down out of your way here. Oh. Here he comes. Big fish too.
Now they're gonna fight.
Wow, that's awesome.
It is awesome.
Oh, we got more fish where that came from. They're looping around. No, there's more. Oh, he missed it.
He'll be back. Or did he get a little bit?
He bited it.
Still floating?
Yeah.
Around.
No, not just a piece of bait.
Round 2. Fight.
Wow.
It's so cool, man. You know.
Is that what they wait for right along here for y'all?
Oh, yeah.
The entire excursion usually lasts about 4 to 6 hours, giving you plenty of time to return to your ship. Since they specialize in working with cruise passengers, they ensure you're back on time for departure. You said it was fun?
Yeah.
Didn't look like you were having fun on the boats. All bundled up.
So at the visitor center, they have these maps with a self-walking tour. And so that's what I'm doing. We started at the sign and we're gonna work my way up. And we're at Whale Park. One of the first things on the map, and there is a totem pole here. It's just a nice little sitting area. If it was sunny outside, it would be perfect. And here is the totem pole.
This colorful totem pole depicting Chief Cayenne, a Tlingit leader.
Way up there.
Historic Creek Street is one of Ketchikan's most famous attractions. It's a boardwalk built on stilts over the water. This area was once Ketchikan's red light district in the early 1900s. Today, it's a picturesque area lined with shops, art galleries, and restaurants. During salmon season, you can see thousands of salmon swimming upstream in the Ketchikan Creek from July to September.
Currently, there are no salmon jumping, but there's the ladder right there. This is a replica of a totem pole from 1901. And here is the Ketchikan Tongass Historical Museum.
A small but informative museum about Ketchikan's past from native heritage to the fishing and logging boom.
It's the famous Dolly's house.
Dolly's house was a brothel that operated until 1955. Today, it's a museum. The museum costs $10 to enter, which offers a glimpse into the life of one of the district's most famous residents, Dolly Arthur.
There are these signs all throughout the walking tour that you can stop and read about all the history. I was here at number 23, the Creek Street sign, and now I'm working my way. I'm gonna go down the street and up to the Totem Heritage Center. It doesn't look like much, but I'm in decent shape and I am tired. So try to stay in the order. Don't get distracted by beautiful tree wood plank bridge over by the salmon hatchery.
Ketchikan has the largest collection of authentic native totem poles in the world.
So at the Heritage Center, they are all original, unrestored totem poles. The tours here are guided or self-guided, and they are free. So cool. Okay, so I'm not sure what is the free tour, but to enter the museum is $6. These doors are a wasco, which is a sea wolf. It's part killer whale, part wolf. So this one, with the beaver holding a chewing stick, and baby beaver. It's this one. And there's humans at the bottom. That was really cool. Okay, walk down the city park a little bit. When you come out of the totem pole museum, you're going to go left. You really do have to just follow the signs, especially since I'm working my way backwards. I'm gonna make my way downtown, or as Michelle Branch says, I'm making my way downtown. Wow. Very loud. I'm making my way downtown.
Ah, see?
Got a wheat beer. We will try it.
Last thing to do on our list was to try the famous duck fart. It was invented in Alaska, with Ketchikan Sourdough Bar being one of the most famous places to try one.
Cheers to Ketchikan.
Duck fart.
Made of Kahlua, Bailey's, and Crown Royal. Ketchikan complete.
by Ketchikan.
If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.